Jai Srimanarayana. 33rd sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sadrusam cheshtate swasyaha prakrutehe ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति। ओम। Because you are listening to Bhagavad Gita, you are reading Bhagavad Gita, make sure the effect of this Shastra is on your day-to-day life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to Him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall make sure the effect of this Bhagavad Gita Shastra is on my day-to-day life. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror Galitam Phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Bhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Ramachandra Swami is ruling the kingdom. In his ruling, all the people are feeling very happy. Under Sri Ramachandra Swami's ruling, all the forests, rivers, mountains, rains, oceans, all of them are very much favorably inclined to all the people and catering their needs. Nadhi Vyadhi Jaraglani Dukkha Soka Bhayaklamaha Mrityuscha Anichatam Nasit Rame Rajanya Dhokshaje. Under Sri Ramachandra Swami's ruling in the kingdom, there are no diseases, there are no worries, there are no loss, there are no grief, there are no any kind of fears. And if someone doesn't want, even the death, mrityu also is not coming to him. To that extent, under Ramachandra Swami's ruling, everybody is feeling very happy, and Sitama also is very much favorable to Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami, while inculcating and showing such a wonderful divine qualities, he is setting up an example to the entire humanity. While the days were passing like that, Ramachandra Swami wanted to perform one yajna. Atmanam Ramaha Sarvadeva Mayam Devam Ije. Rama himself is supreme, the Deva. So through that yajna, Ramachandra Swami worshipped himself. And in the process of that yajna, Rama donated the entire kingdom to the Ritviks who were there in that yajna. It is like this. The east part of kingdom is donated to Hota. South part of kingdom is donated to Brahma. West part of kingdom is donated to Adhvaryu. North part of kingdom is donated to Udgata, who chanted Samavedam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namara shatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 33rd sloka. Sadrusam cheshtate svasyaha prakruter jnanavanapi prakrutim yanti bhutani nigrahaha kim karishyati. Sadrusam cheshtate svasyaha prakruter jnanavanapi prakrutim yanti bhutani nigrahaha kim karishyati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.